Hi everyone, if you're relatively new to Canva and are starting to create your designs and artwork, you may wish there was an easy way to find the particular colours that you want to use in your projects. Well, there is a way, so let me show you using one of my designs. So here we are in the Canva editor and I want to use a sage green colour for my text. Now, as well as the standard colour palette, Canva will also pick up the main colours used in your artwork. And yes, you can select one of these if it's the colour that you are looking for. However, if you go to the search bar at the top left and type in the general description of the colour that you want, in this case it's sage green, then it reveals a whole host of similar colour shades and alternative colours that complement that original choice. Alternatively, if you already know the HTML code of the colour that you want to use, like the code for the colour I use in my channel logo for example, then again it will show you that original colour plus a variety of similar shades and complementary colours which you can then select and use in your designs. Now, I'm sure regular users of Canva are already aware of this, but if you are relatively new, then you might find this useful to help speed up the design process a little and take some of the guesswork out of finding the colour shades that you are looking for. Thanks for watching.